perimeter of the figure formed by the three squares A, B and C is 176 cm. The ratio of the length of square A to the length of square B is 1:2. The length of square C is twice the length of square B. Find the area of square C. Now the very first information we can investigate on is over here, the length of the squares. Okay, so for A is to B, we know it's 1:2, and we can also write for C as well, because we know that C is twice of B in terms of length. Okay, so C will be 2 times 2, which is 4 units. Okay, so how do we find the area of square C? So to find the area, we need some information about the length, because once we have this, we take that same length over here and we multiply them together, we can get the area of square C. Okay, now to do that, we need to use the perimeter information. Okay, 176. So where is 176? It's gonna be here, and that will be 4 units, right, for length of C. This is another 4 units. The bottom here, another 4 units. And for A, B at the top, okay, we can actually use this green line here, plus this green line, plus this green line. Now if you realize, these green lines, green plus green plus green, when you add them up together, when you join the green lines, you get a long line like this, which tells us that the green lines will be 4 units as well. Okay, why is that so? Again, join this with this with this. Okay, bring this down, so you'll get one nice long line, 4 units as well. Now don't forget, perimeter is whatever is on the outline. So outline means this blue has to be added as well. That will be 2 units for the square B's length. And this blue here, 1 unit. On the side, another 1 unit. And here, another 2 units. So in total, how many units make up the perimeter? So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. Plus the green one, another 4, plus the blues will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so how many units is this? Plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, that will be 22 units. 22 units will be equals to 176 centimeter. We then find 1 unit, 176 divided by 22, 8 cm. Alright, so we're interested in the area of C. So that will be 4 units in length. 8 times 4, 32 cm. And to find the area of C will be 32 times 32. 1024 squared cm. Final answer.